Well, as a matter of fact, I am from Gokana here. I've been a former local government chairman, democratically elected local government chairman of Gokana local government, and I served for 2 tenures. And as far as I'm concerned, as far as I know, I'm a critical stakeholder. And the issue of formation of a caretaker is very alien to the constitution of our dear state. And we stand here with our people to say that we don't want any caretaker in Gokana. First, we commend the Inspector General of Police for what he has done to have blocked all the areas. If not, there would have been virtually breakdown of law and order. Our appeal very strongly to the governor of the state that should conduct local government elections and the people should exercise their own franchise and vote who they want. We have here with us the chairman of the local government council, the member house of assembly, and those are the people we elected, and those are the people we voted for, and those are the people we stand by, those are the people we support. The Gokana people are united together as a fist, irrespective of the party, different party device. We are unified, and the support you see is very organic. It's not being coerced, nobody is being coerced, and nobody is being mobilized anywhere. It is just people coming out of their free way to say that the right thing must be done, and it must be done at the right time. I'm very surprised that Noga are involved in Rivers State politics, because they are not supposed to be there. So when Noga says they want to come and demonstrate, if they want to come and demonstrate, other people will also demonstrate too, because nobody is more Rivers people than others. I think that we should treat that with very serious care. Noga people is just an infinitesimal population of the whole mass of the people. Noga is not supposed to be involved in politics. They are the people that are working, and that the word of the council is the common word of our people.